Hello, Marie Antonescu here of Massage and Movement. I'm going to show you a way to roll over, which can be helpful when people have pubic symphysis pain. This can be a less painful way to roll over. And also if people have diastasis recti issues, it can help you roll over without doming. I'll show you. Okay. So first, how do we get to laying down? If we just do this already, we're using our abs. If we could instead come down, place our head down, and then roll, we're less likely to have doming of our abdomen. And then to get back up, you again can roll to the side, help push yourself up, like so. So that is one way of rolling, or one way of getting up and down. So once you are in bed and you want to stay here, when you want to get to the other side, you could go this way. It can be hard if you have pubic symphysis issues. So I will show you another way. So instead of going this way, why don't we just go the other way? So place a hand, you're on all fours, you walk over to the other side, and then you come down. Like so.